Imagine a time when the stars were just distant points of light in the night sky, a time before humans dared to venture beyond our own planet, a time when space was a mystery, an enigma that piqued our curiosity and dared us to dream. This was the dawn of space exploration. It was the late 50s when the Soviet Union launched the first artificial satellite, Sputnik 1. This small metal sphere, no larger than a beach ball, was the first man-made object to orbit the Earth. It was a feat that left the world in awe. Then, in 1958, the United States established NASA, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, a major player in the space race that was brewing. 3 short years later, the world held its breath as Yuri Gagarin, a Soviet astronaut, became the first human to journey into outer space. This was just the beginning, a small step towards the vast expanse of the cosmos. As we looked up at the moon, a celestial body so close yet so far, we couldn't help but dream of setting foot on it. The late 1950s and 60s saw a fierce competition between 2 superpowers, the USA and the USSR. This was the space race, a race to prove dominance not just on Earth, but beyond. The culmination of this race was the Apollo 11 mission in 1969. The world watched in awe as 2 Americans, Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin, became the first humans to walk on the moon. Armstrong's words, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind," echoed around the globe, signifying not just a victory for America, but a victory for all of humanity. The moon landing marked a significant milestone in human history, but our journey was far from over. Imagine living in space, not for days, but for months, even years. That's the reality of life aboard a space station. Our journey begins with the Soviets who first ventured into this realm, launching the Salyut program in the early 70s. These stations were the pioneers, the first homes for humans in space. They allowed us to test the waters, to understand how humans could live and work in the harsh environment of space. Then came Mir, another Soviet marvel. Launched in the mid-80s, Mir was a scientific powerhouse, a place where groundbreaking research was conducted, where astronauts could live for over a year, breaking records and pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible. The United States joined the game with Skylab in the 70s. This American space station was a hub of scientific discovery, a place where astronauts could observe our sun in unprecedented detail, helping us understand more about our star and its effects on our planet. But the jewel in the crown of space stations is undoubtedly the International Space Station, a multinational endeavor that exemplifies the power of international cooperation. Here, astronauts from across the globe live and work together, conducting research that benefits all of humanity. The space stations have become our home away from home, a testament to human ingenuity and the spirit of exploration. As we stand on the cusp of a new era, we look beyond the moon towards Mars and the mysteries that lie in the depths of our galaxy. Indeed, our space quest is far from over. With our sights set on Mars, we're not just talking about sending rovers anymore. Ambitious plans are underway for manned missions to the Red Planet, a feat that represents the next giant leap for mankind. But Mars isn't the only destination on our cosmic itinerary. We're also expanding our search for extraterrestrial life, probing distant exoplanets in our quest to answer one of the universe's most tantalizing questions. Are we alone? And let's not forget about space tourism. Imagine gazing at Earth's curvature while experiencing weightlessness or witnessing a breathtaking Martian sunset. Thanks to the efforts of private companies like SpaceX, Blue Origin, and Virgin Galactic, these experiences could become a reality sooner than we think. Both national space agencies and private entities are playing pivotal roles in shaping the future of space exploration. Their collective efforts are not just about reaching new frontiers, they're about pushing the boundaries of what's possible, about igniting curiosity, inspiring innovation, and fostering a sense of unity. As we continue to reach for the stars, we not only discover more about the universe, but also about ourselves. The journey of space exploration is a journey of the human spirit, a testament to our curiosity, resilience, and ambition.